So a lot of people ask me, why the hell are you going to Tyrone, Pennsylvania to buy a bike? Here I am at Kissell Motorsports and I'm picking up a new Grand America. Well, you come all the way out to Pennsylvania to this lovely little town, and I'm here to tell you, as this is my fourth bike. I started off 5 years ago with a green K1600 GTL. I bought a white K1600 GTL, and then they were able to get me an M1000 RR 50th anniversary in Sao Paulo yellow. So Kissell Motorsports. The guys here don't actually know I'm filming this. I'm doing it as a courtesy because it's not only about the people, the level of service, the sense of pride they have in their customers, but it's basically the entire culture out here. And let's be honest, it's kind of fun to get on a plane from Phoenix to Pittsburgh, get the 7:30 train out of Pittsburgh and arrive in Tyrone, which is actually not far from Penn State. This is a new addition they built, and they've done an amazing job on my bike. They added an exhaust, a whole bunch of accessories, a Bren tune kit. They rode it because they don't have a dyno. So let's have a look at Kissell Motorsports and embarrass a few people. And at the time of this posting, I'm trying to bribe them to get me the BMW Isle of Man edition. So over here is the man, the myth, the legend that's going to get me my Isle of Man edition. There's several $1,000s in an unmarked envelope under his desk. Say hi, Josh.
Hi, Mark. How you doing? Hello, everybody.
Yeah, Josh has been
We're
absolutely
going to do our
amazing.
best to get him an Isle of Man TT.
There you go. These guys have been incredible. It's about the service, the culture, the sense of pride everybody has here in this dealership. So let's take you down and show you some other stuff they have. So a dealership is a dealership, right? Not here. The passion, the excitement, everything they have, they're passionate about their customers and the customers' experiences. That makes it different from being a simple transaction.
Hello.
There you go.
How's it going?
Good. I forgot your first name.
Flynn.
Flynn. Flynn was the one that helped me with all my accessories. So call Flynn. These are the guys in here that worked on my bike. Hey. So, this amazing service tech, not that the guy behind him isn't just as amazing, but I haven't worked with him personally, did my K1600 GTL Alpine White, and then my M1000 RR Sao Paulo 50th, and just tell them what you put on the Grand America that I just did.
So on the Grand America that I just worked on for Mark here, we put the exhaust on for him. We also installed a Bren tune. We did a front oil pump guard, radiator guard. And then we put the light logos on, which actually key on with the bike and also work as turn signals. And then we also did the dual horn, which makes it a lot louder to hear him coming.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sweet. Right by the train tracks. How cool is that? Now let's go over to finance. It is the Aprilia section. And talking to Evan, the sales manager over here, that you want to get to know, majority of Their business is from the web and out the door here from Pennsylvania to wherever they're going. Let me introduce you to finance. Christiana, who will take great care of you, even had my plates delivered to me in Arizona. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your going rate right now in financing?
Oh God, I don't know. It depends on credit, at least 6.5.
Okay, any BMW specials right now?
There are. That's rates gonna be based on credit. There are some cash promotions and some rate promotions of like 2.9, 3.9, depending on term.
Basically, it really doesn't matter because whatever your situation, they're going to help you out. And the price that they charge compared to other dealers is such good value, it doesn't matter if you pay a small tick up in interest rate. So call Kissell Motorsports. That's why I've done it 4 times.